Most people think that the first step in buying a home is scrolling through Zillow or driving around neighborhoods, but that's actually the fun part, not the first step. The real first step is getting pre-approved with a trusted lender. This gives you a clear picture of what you can afford, what your monthly payment will look like, and which loan programs fit your goals. It also helps us catch any surprises early, like a credit report error or something that needs a quick fix. Those things are easy to handle when we plan ahead, but really stressful if they pop up after you found your perfect home. And here's the big one. Sellers want serious buyers. A strong pre-approval gives you negotiating power and puts you ahead of anyone who is just looking. So before we start searching for your dream home, we set up the strategy. If you want a soft pull pre-approval or just want to walk through your options, reach out anytime. I'm happy to walk you through it.